So today, what we will do is, yesterday we have seen how to include the function into the workflow diagram, right? And what are the uses of the functions. So today, we have also a small bugs into that. We'll fix that also. But to start with today, we'll try to see how to customize the seeded workflow. Okay. So
Yeah, are you recording, right?
yes, we have. I have started the recording.
Okay, good.
Okay. So it's just keep on getting recorded, right? Yeah.
Mhm.
So we'll see today how to customize the seated workflow. Now, how to start doing that? So what I'll do is I'll do the customization of the seated workflow. So before doing, okay, let's go step by step. So suppose this is the purchasing vision operation USA responsibility. We'll go here, and then basically we'll create one sample purchase order.
Okay.
Okay. We'll create some either requisition or the purchase order, anything you can try. So I'll just try here. I'll just see whether yeah, 204 vision operation USA. Okay, the rest buyer is there. Let's take Inish supplier. I'm just taking anything like that. Wait, please. Promised by. Okay. Is there any mandatory steps? No, nothing like that. And what else we need to provide for purchase order?
Lines.
Yeah, this is the lines I have given. Okay, more requirement temporary shipment. We'll see. Let's try here. Let me see this first. Okay. Okay, so please enter the required context field value PO header flex field. Okay, might be some here. Somebody has enabled it. The line has no shipment or distributions. Okay. Okay, 6170. That's when that was just a note, right?
Mm-hmm.
That so I'm reaching the approve. So yeah, currently it is incomplete. I'm raising the approve.
Yeah.
So okay, the serial engineer, please provide values for all required fields in the submitted segment. That's fine. PUAC roll count number is there. That is important to have. Variance accounts are derived. 6170. So let's approve now. Yeah, it is asking submit for approval. I'll forward this notes to forward it from. Okay, submit for approval. Okay, it has been sent. Let's check it out. There are few tables basically which we need to understand. Okay, let's go to the select. I'll give you the list of the table.
Okay. Notifications. This is for each item, right? I mean, each notification.
Yes. Okay.
Is it item notification?
Develop notifications.
Okay.
Here you will get all the details and be okay. Ordered by just TSC. You see, is raised this one. So this message type is nothing but your item type.
Item type. Okay.
So basically, this notification ID. Just take this notification ID also. Okay, and we'll take this message type is nothing but your item type, your workflow name. Okay, so many details will get it. See, status
What is
is
it? Due date here? Something.
which due date? Due date is not there, no?
What is that for? Is it?
It means like when it has been, whenever we are making any, uh, like whenever we are sending the notification, right? And it has to be respond. Right? That respond, I like that the date of the respond being basically getting captured over here. Okay. Here, one more thing here you can see the mail status. So mail has been sent. So if till the mail will be not sent, it will be sent or open, something like that will be there. So status will be still open, but mail will be sent. The recipient role is Ghanshyam. Let's go back to see the this one. Okay, I have taken this one, no? Yeah, we have taken the workflow internal name. Okay, now we'll go back to the this one. 1 second. We'll go back to the home page. Yeah, see here, I got the one message saying no approval was found for the standard purchase order 6170. Okay, this is just the like I'm not going to respond on this, but there is in the standard purchase order, there is no approval is been for this particular purchase order. That's what I got the message. Okay, now if I wanted to
So
do,
you got the message because you are the creator, right?
yes,
That's
I'm the creator. That's why I got the message. Okay, let's go through this message. Yeah, now I can see few things, the details, right? Can you see this?
you are the preparer. Okay.
The approval sequence 01. Okay, here there is one thing which is very important is this one, this ID. So if you wanted to do any customization, okay, and you first, because all the seeded workflow, you should be know the process, like how it has been what is the process of launching that workflow. Okay, suppose in any module, if there is any workflow, so you should be knowing how this process is happening, how you are getting the notification, how you, like, what is the process of launching the workflow. For this purchase order, we have known, right, like we have a approver. When we are clicking the approver, the workflow is getting launched, right?
Yeah,
So,
approving.
yeah, so similarly for any module, wherever there is a workflow, there would be a process. Like first we have entered the all the details in the, we have prepared the purchase order, and then we send this purchase order for the approval, right?
Correct. Mhm.
Similarly for other modules also, there will be some process where we are launching the workflow. So now once as it has been launched, it will generate the notification ID. This notification ID will take this notification ID. So currently I have in my this one, I went into the WF notification and ordered by begin date, and I got the notification ID, right?
Correct.
But the, this is one of the way. Other way is like we can go to the dashboard and we'll get the unique notification ID, because this is the test, like this is the practical instance, training instance, right? So here we'll get only one, because I have only generated now, so we can get it. But in a organization, might be it will be like across the world people are generating the notification, right? So it will be very difficult to identify which one is mine. Definitely you can able to identify by seeing the message type and all. You can identify it has been detected by mine. But the best way is like you can get it like from the dashboard, what is the notification ID, right? now 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 let's okay, I'm unable. Okay, so you can see here, this is the same notification ID which has been generated. So you can give your notification ID and you can get it here. Now, once we can get it here, we can find the message type, which is nothing but the internal name of the workflow. There is one more table called as select, select start WF, WF item types, something that is that. Yeah. So here, where if you here the details of that workflow will be given, okay, with the protection
Item,
level, system level,
right?
all these details. Hello,
Details of the item, right?
details of that particular item type. I mean nothing but your workflow,
Workflow.
where the like
You approve. Okay.
now we'll try to customize this workflow. Yeah. So protection level is 100, custom level is this. Few details basically we'll get it. Now let's open the yeah, here one more thing. Here we can see here the details are coming like this, right? This is the test text message, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then we have a PO amount, We have a supplier details, last approver, and you can see here it is coming in a box, right? Purchase order line details, sequence
Yeah.
detail box. So here we need to understand a few things. Which part of the workflow you wanted to customize? Okay, so let's open this workflow first, and we'll see understand few stuffs here. Yeah. So
What is
as
that launcher field in the table? There is some. Is that the package name?
no, it's not. Okay, this is what you are talking about. This you are talking.
In
This
the data. No,
this.
no, no. In the table data. In the Toad. Go to Toad.
Mhm.
Yeah. WF selector. What is this? This
Let,
is the procedure called, or what is this?
let me check what is this. Yeah, this is something called as the package only.
Launch package dot rec selector.
Yeah, this is something called as a package only. Yeah, launch. What is that? Launch
Rec,
selector.
rec approval launch.
Yeah, launch selector is the. Yeah, here no. Mm, Launch.
First, no.
No, no, it's not there.
PO rec approval launch. No, you are in that procedure, package dot procedure.
Yeah, this is the package, and inside that this will be the procedure, right?
Oh, okay. Then what is this? PO rec selector.
Not sure on this. Where at 1 second? Let me check it one more time. Your rec selector. Okay, requisition selector, something like that.
Oh, the last one. The
Ah,
last.
see, this is the one procedure. So we need to understand like what it is doing inside, selecting watch mode and all.
Mode, run mode or something.
See, this is the begin and end. It's just selecting, insert
Debug.
debug, item type, item key, called with a mode. Okay.
If it is debug is then it's doing that.
Yeah, correct. Let's go back.
Okay.
Let's go back to our workflow. So we'll open the workflow first. We'll open our workflow, same way. Open. So we'll open from the database, or you can also download from the instance. Okay?
Okay.
So perhaps VIS. Now, what is that? PO?
PO approval. POAP APRVL.
PO APPRV. PO APPRV. PO account generator. Okay, this is in the display mode. We'll do one thing. We'll understand this. What is the complete name of this workflow? Okay.
It's not there. POAP. Yeah, it's there. PO approval. Maybe that display name.
1 second. PO approval. PO approval workflow something.
Error.
This create accounts. PO order status. PO requisition. PO requisition account. Let's see. This one IPP approval. Let's open this. Yeah, this one, see, POAPPRV, right?
Mm-hmm.
So once we'll get this, now as this is the standard workflow, right? So
Yeah.
now for that, like suppose we wanted to do the customization here. Here, if I wanted to do the customization in the message or something, how do we know which message? Then through the notification will come to know through the notification will come to know the yes, see here, it's open, and this is the message name. We'll take this message name.
Oh, it gives the message name. Okay.
So POP,
So it's the last message, right? Where it came out.
yes, this is stuck with the, so each one have each one notification ID where it get stuck. Okay, so now we'll go to this our workflow, go to the order message. Now here we have to find it out. It is like PO, it will be big only.
Your
PO
approver.
no approver. PO no
You
approver.
know.
PO
POP.
no. PO
Yeah.
no approver.
No.
This was no. This.
Yes.
So once we will find out, what we have to do is we'll copy. 1 second. We'll copy and we'll paste. I had copied, now I'm pasting. See, it is asking me, right? So what
What do you mean copy paste? You just opened it, right?
no, I have copied. Now as soon as I have say control V, it has opened this window.
Okay.
Okay. Now what I am doing is I am making as underscore BKP backup, because you are changing the seeded, right? You
Correct. So you're taking the backup. Okay.
I'm taking the backup, apply. Okay. Now you can see here. Now this is one is a backup and paste.
Oh, properties.
Okay. Duplicate it.
Oh, okay. You have to change the internal.
1 second. Mm, POP no approval found. POP no approval found. PKP no approval was found. ठीक है. Oh.
Internal name. What is the internal name?
The internal name is nothing.
I think, yeah, you have to change the internal name also, man.
1 second. Okay, it is using basically uh, one of the this one it is called as attribute. Pure reminder one, pure result. These things it is using. So 1 second, let me. No, approval form.
Oh, you change the internal name.
Yeah, like paste. No approval form. That should be the same now, because we have created one backup now. Could not set message properties for this. Message property also duplicate internally. How does it duplicate? Duplicate internally. One second, is that created? Simply we can do it, no? Okay, see. Oh. It's my mistake actually. See, it is already created, no? Here. One is a backup, one is already there, no?
Yeah.
I will delete this. Then why I was creating two? It's already there. See, this original one is there. I have created one backup.
You created the backup, but then it gave the error immediately.
Huh.
No, delete and just recreate delete the backup
Okay.
and just
Yeah.
do it again. I don't know why.
That right.
Yeah, you said Control C, Control V.
Control C, Control V,
Okay, then you change to backup.
B, K, P.
Hmm.
Created, right?
Created.
Backup is created. Now, so this is got created for this message. Now let's go back to this message. Hmm. So these all are the attributes. Okay. These all are the attributes associated with this message. So let me open this message first. Okay. And I'll go to the body and I can see here we have a no approver was found and the document type. Now you can see here in our see no approver was found for the standard purchase order. This is coming from this one.
Documents, standard purchase order. Okay.
Standard purchase order. And see here, this and so the data is there in both the tabs. One is the text body, one is the HTML body. Okay.
Yeah.
So basically, it is getting tapped from the text body initially if you are not mentioning the HTML body. So what I'm making here is I'm just writing, just for the sake I'm writing, just to show you how we can do the customization if I need anything, right? So I can just write it here. This is the custom message and see these document number, release number, and all these steps. See description, PO description, these all things are basically coming from the attribute, and we'll go to show you how the attribute basically fetching the data. Okay, that also I will show you. Basically it is again calling the package dot procedure. In that package dot procedure, basically it might be calling some OF page or URL through which it is bringing the diagram and all. Okay, that also I will show you. Just we'll see how this message will be. We are working actually, whether it is working or not. The customization is happening or not. Now, let's see. We'll go to the this one. Okay, what it is giving error now here is okay. Display name among message attribute. Could not find token for prepare display name among message attribute. What this is need by date among message attribute. Okay, why? What will I do for that? Okay, let me save this. I'm saving with this error because I have not made any changes, right?
Yeah.
So it is saved. Okay.
Yeah.
It is still saved. Now, let me launch this workflow again. Okay. So what I will do is the last time when I launched, I'll say okay. So no message now. Let me launch the workflow purchase order. Okay. Yeah. So what was that purchase order number?
6170. 6170.
6170. So I'll create on top of this. Okay. So instead of creating new, copy document. No?
Okay, you're creating. Okay.
Creating a new one. Copy attachment. Okay, 617.
Yeah. Next number.
Yeah, 6171. I'll go for the approval. Submit. Yeah. Let's go back here. Notification. Right, it has came, right? 6171. Let's open this. Okay. Message has not been displayed. Okay.
You didn't save it.
No. We have saved it only. It has not come.
Oh, you saved a database?
Database only. Let's see here why it has not come. Because we have written in the text, but it is using in the HTML. HTML body is being used. Okay.
Oh, okay. Mhm.
I have to write this here in HTML body. Apply. Okay. And now save. Shape. Done. Now we have to generate one more, right?
You can approve the same, right?
Yeah, no, I wanted to show you how the customization can be done.
No, I mean the same PO you can approve. Then
Okay, you are telling like the same PO
yeah,
can be
this
approved again.
if you approve, then it will generate one more notification.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah, take the latest one.
Mm,
Refresh.
correct. Refresh scheme.
No.
Yeah, see, this is the custom message.
Mhm.
In this way, we can able to customize, like if you wanted to customize any notification or any message in the workflow. Now, the second thing which is more important is here we can see the purchase order lines, right? How this is being done. If I wanted to do add one more, suppose we wanted to add one more details, right? These kind of customization will become. I want to change. I wanted to add one more information. I wanted to do few more things. I wanted to add one more details here down. Supplier side leads. Then we can do. So we'll understand from here. We'll go to the body. We'll go to the HTML body. So this is the custom message. Now document number, release number, PO approved message, right? You can see here. PO approved message, last approver, preparer. Please find the correct approver and submit the document for the approver. PO line details, right? These are the PO line details. Let's talk about the PO line details. So these all are coming from the attribute, right? So let's go back to PO. What was that? One second.
PO line at details.
We will write it over now. PO line details. So we'll go back to attribute now.
Mm,
So we'll go back to the attribute. PO line details now. See here, PO line details. Will be a big list. So working with the seeded workflow needs a lot of care and PO line details.
PO, no.
Here.
PO terms. Oh, okay. Yeah.
This is a red oriented.
So PO line details.
Yeah, PO.
Oh, it's a constant.
Its access level we cannot see. Access level customization protection is there. Lock at this access level. That is the reason we cannot able to access this. So PO line details. So this is coming from here. Okay, PO line details. PO line details. Now there will be a package. Okay, for standard package will be that. So what I'll do is I'll go back to the so whatever it is coming, so how the data is getting feeded into this attribute, I wanted to show you that also. Okay,
Right. Okay.
pure line details, pure line details. So many processes there. We have to check the approval notification. Pure line details. XML send. These are the processes. Notification error. Okay, mean.
Probably find approver.
Yeah, here mean PO approval process. Here, can you see that PO approval
Yeah.
process? Let's click on this. Start verify PO. So I'm just opening this message. Again, inside the things, open doc states, activity perform. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, start, open document states, and I can see this one. Uh, okay, I can see one package dot function, package dot procedure. Okay, so just take this.
So hold on. That you clicked on that yellow icon, right? So it's again a sub process. Is that?
Again a sub process. Yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Can you go back? Yeah. Here. Okay. So start and open doc state is a sub process.
Yeah, give
Okay.
me a second. Give me a second. I'll be back. Yeah. So exactly. What we need to do, 1 second, we go back here, verify check. So each one is the process and all basically. What I actually looking for the right package, which we are not getting the package, compare text and all this stuff. We get notification attribute, activity performer and all this stuff. And 1 second. So I'll just open this. PO approval. 1 second. I'll just take this package. There is should be a main package actually where it should start. So
Can owner approve? Okay.
1 second. So I'll just check this. Start from. It's like all underscore object, no?
All objects were object name like, yeah. What is the error?
Shoot. Just telling like table will be properties.
Give apps dot maybe. DBA objects. Try DBA objects.
But these are not the DB objects, no?
No. Just try apps schema.
Okay. Okay, you are telling apps dot, no? Apps dot all underscore
Objects.
object. Spelling same.
Or Apple says. Try Apple says.
Okay.
All objects.
Is there? Then what is the wrong? OB. Okay, something is wrong.
No, spelling.
Yes,
Object. C is missing. C is miss objects spelling.
yeah. I got your point. Yes, that's what.
Copy that.
Object. See, now it's correct. No? Let's see here. See, there are so many object name. Yeah, launch. This one. PO rec approval launch. In it.
PO rec approval. Okay.
Yeah. So we have different like 8 total. Action, launch, find approver, in it, launch. So 4 is there, no total. 4 package spec, 4 package body. Action, find, launch, right? I'll just take it to the launch. Launch package F5, F4. I'm showing you how this details basically where you need to make the change in the attribute. So we'll take it as in the Notepad++. It's a little tedious job only making change in the seeded. Oh, I have just copied the spec. Okay. I'll copy the body now.
So can you tell me again how you are approaching to this? I mean, how you pick this procedure?
Yes. See, this basically we have a standard package available for each workflow. Okay. Let me find out that one, then I will tell you the details. Okay. Is it fine?
Yeah.
Here in the body, let me check it out. The what was the attribute name we had?
PO details something. Go up. PO lines details.
Yeah. Let me check it out first. I will tell you. PO line details is not there. It should be there. Workflow launch approval should be there. No, yeah, correct. Only PO rec approval launch. Launch, create development instance. Not the right. Okay, get attribute. Sets should be there. No, we are setting. We need to set this the workflow. Okay, see, this is starting the workflow, launching the workflow. This is what, like, even in our these things we are creating the workflow, we are starting the workflow and all, right? When I told you, right, like any procedure must have the item type, item key, process, and other details also they are giving. So these things, okay. Item type, item key, selector, fun mode, and result. So one second, I'm just trying to find out the which one session. So it's not there in this. You have to check other procedure then. Other init one, find approval. Okay, this one, find approval one. Let me check this one. Database. Toggle. means where it is getting setting the attribute details, we need to find out the procedure for that.
Procedure. Yeah.
That these are the seeded workflow, so we can get it the details. Like we can get the package. Yeah. Yes, I think it will be somewhere. Yeah. So what was that here? PO line details. No? PO line details. We'll try to find it over here. Still, it is not in this also. Maybe something else. One second. PO line details should be there. No? PO line details. I'm not looking at the right package or what. One second. No, one second. One second. One second. I think I'm not looking at the right package. One second. One second. I'm not looking into the right message. So this is the PO approver. Um, this is fine. The body HTML. PO line details. PO no approver found, right? PO no approver found. PO no approver found. Notification. PO no approver found. Yeah. PO no approver. Okay.
Function name. What is the function name?
Here, this
No
one.
function.
No functions, no, for this. Okay. PO no approval found. Message is attached.
Or you can directly check in the entire database with that text like it takes time actually.
Notification this.
Which procedure is using it?
That is the other way we can do it. Now we have to find the main. We have the main PO approver going one by one. PO approver. PO approval process. Okay, what is this main PO approval process? Variable PO. Verify PO. Okay. Inside that, open stop state, open check, complete check, record next tree, activity perform, get notification attribute, get notification attribute to one, activity perform, fail state check, activity perform, not perform, then PO set PO status to what is this. So here it is checking init one. Let me check init one. So you can see here there are only 4 procedures for this whole PO approval. But I'm not writing those attributes. No, I should find that attribute. It is set somewhere in any one of this F4. Okay, start process. Here it should be. PO line details. Ah, is there? Yes.
Which one is that?
Yeah, it's there. PO line details is there, no? Yeah, let's see. Set
What is
type
the
attribute
procedure?
text. Here.
Which procedure is that?
Init. This one. PO rec approval init one.
PO
Okay.
coordinate one.
And yeah, init, not init one. It should be init actually. Okay. And in real time, it should be init, not init one. Okay. So here, let's go back to our main thing. Now you can see here, if I wanted to add one more line, right? Then how do I do? You see that the P glob value, how it is coming? It is coming from the PO WF notification, get PO lines,
Details.
lens, and item type and item key. This
Key
value is basically getting from the some glob type, ELSQL glob type, means some attachment is coming, right?
Yeah.
It's nothing but the one sort of attachment is coming from this, from POWF PO notification, get PO line details. Okay, let's see what is this workflow PO notification. So one sort of attachment it is coming. Now we'll go to the notification, or we'll go to the notification for PO attribute where it is attaching. Okay, we'll go to the notification. Notification. PO approval. PO no. Yeah, this message is attached. Message is attached. Okay, and this is this is only attached. PO approval was found. No, PO approval was not found. No, but of no approval. No approval was found. Okay. Where I have seen that, I just forgetting. There should be some link will be there. Like OF link will be there. From there it is basically coming. Just forgetting where I have seen that. Return the correct one only. Is fine. Attribute is also fine. View details. And in this workflow, no, there is no searching steps. You cannot search like in note in document, like in Word. Sorry, in RDF and all, we can search it. There
Correct.
will be
Yeah.
searching, but here in workflow there is no
There
searching.
are small items. I mean, small sections of code. So
Yes, so that is where like it is getting issues. So here, if we look into the, what was that PO?
correct approval.
Yeah, here the POWF notification. No, POWF. First of all, let me check is that is a package or not. Yeah, it's a package WF4. POWF notification. In that, what has been used is
Get line details. Second one. Second.
PO line details, right? Yeah. So get line PO details because it is attaching the values from there. PO get line details. See this one. Yeah, you can see here the documents are given over here. Details are given over here. like what are the details, right? So it is attaching it with the p clob. So the whole segment only is getting into this attribute.
Mm.
Here only you have to make a small change in this package only. But as
Mhm.
these are the seeded package, right? You have to make any addition with the help of the API. You can see a type L document type, WF engine get attribute document type.
Mhm.
Yeah, set or context. So here everything like org ID and all is getting, and then somewhere it is setting up. I'll open the command. It is opening the utility. It is opening the edit pro. If it is L type, fetch cursor, L segment up, bulk collect into. And finally, it will be preparing some uh, table, and then it is pushing into this data into that attribute.
Mhm.
Can you see this? Now it is started building the HTML tags, like HTML tags for the this one. What it is?
Line.
No, like this line one. This
Mhm.
table.
Okay.
This
Yeah.
table
Okay.
is getting prepared now.
Yeah.
Yeah, this table is it started preparing. Line one. See, line one for this is PO. See, string is PO, right? String is PO. Go back here. Mhm. Yeah, see here. Line descriptions, UN. So basically, we have to make the change here somewhere. If we wanted to make the change, we can make the change here. We can add one more line here. The line amount one, unit price, UOM. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Underscore one, not sure why underscore one is not coming. Line amount one. Somebody might be has made as a, I'll customize it. Okay.
Okay. Mhm.
Yeah.
Mm.
No, this one, no. We are looking into this. We are looking into this. So
Mhm.
line amount. Yeah, line amount is there. Line amount is there. Right? Unit price, quantity, line, this item description, item number, line, all these stuff are coming. If you wanted to add here, or you can add like this one more line.
One more.
Yeah, we have to add it here. One more line over here, so that one more these things will come.
Okay.
Okay. So like one more box will come over here.
Yeah.
Like that, we have to make these changes in the package, in the main property package. Yeah. So basically, there are only four procedures through which we have to find the which attribute is being called in the which procedure, which main procedure.
Well, this line amount one,
Mhm.
there is a column header, right?
This is a column header, exactly. Yes.
So where is the value?
The value is
How?
basically coming from here, no?
Okay. Okay. Line amount.
This is the header, and this is the value, like PO workflow notification line amount.
Oh, okay.
This
Get
is the
string.
variable. So,
FND message get string. Okay.
yeah. So this is the
Mm,
header, and
OS.
in header we are attaching the amount.
Mhm.
This will coming from the database actually. PO.
So actually, the message actually your FND message.
Huh. See, correct. But this amount basically will fetch you the amount, direct amount actually when we are linking, right? As it is a HTML tag, right?
Mm.
Like complete tag, right? So in this document, this th will tell you the header, and this message we are getting this string. So we will
Suppose if you
pass
want
the header.
to, now let me say, if I want to pick the PO amount, total amount in the next column,
Okay.
so how can I do that?
No, if you wanted a PO whole amount, right? But this is the line
Total
amount.
Yeah, whatever. Yeah, I just want to display the total amount next to the line amount.
If you wanted to show the 1 second, let's go back here. See, the total amount is there 10,000, right?
10,000. Yeah.
Right. So we have to figure it out, like what is the column here.
Okay. So the exam column is
PO
PO
total
error.
BSP, something like that. Okay.
No, it's not coming from the column. It's calculated field, I guess.
Calculated field exactly. So basically what we have to do is here, not exactly here, uh,
Mhm.
in this here, in the message, in this message there are two options we can do it. One,
Mhm.
you can go directly to this message, or wherever it is appearing, right? Like um, yeah, either here or in any message. Basically, go to the body, go to the HTML, okay, or yeah, suppose here you wanted to add, right? Here you can create one attribute, and
Okay.
in that attribute you have to feed the data, right?
Correct.
Want the total pure number. Definitely
Mhm.
the total pure number will be coming somewhere. If it is not coming, if you wanted to add new, you can create one like attribute, and in that ampersand and that attribute name, now that
Correct.
attribute needs to be populated with the right data, right?
Correct. Correct.
Now
So you
that,
can select. So in that procedure where you are.
no, that's not the correct play. That is for the line. That's what I'm saying you. This is for the line. This
Mhm.
whole thing is for the line. So before the starting of the TR, so right, so it's ending here somewhere you have to add it.
Yes.
Here somewhere you have to add it with a logic.
Mhm.
Okay, here you have to write the logic for getting the PO, because this L document now is a table created. You can see here, see it is a
Mhm.
table is started creating with
Yeah.
all the details. So if either before or after you have to mend it. But if you wanted to create one more line details, then inside here only you can create. That's my point.
Yeah. Okay.
That's my point. Here you can inside this before ending. Here you
Maybe something like UOM, unit of measure for the item, maybe
yeah,
that line.
exactly. Any yeah, UM is already there. Yeah,
Okay. Mhm.
UM is already there. Item division, item description, item any other line details if you wanted. Before this, you have to add the whole this line, whole this line, whole this
So
line,
how,
and you can
how
give
that FND message get string,
uh,
get the populates the value for that variable, whatever you define.
yes. So with the same line, with the same fnd message dot get string is nothing but retrieving your dynamically retrieving your value for that line. So like you can see a purchase order and the PO workflow notification line amount. So this you can see your unit price for each, everything is different, right? PO item description,
Maybe
notification item review,
FND message get string.
line number, like that you have for other also, right?
Mhm.
So this is the way we can, it's little like not so easy to modify the seeded workflow, but you have to identify which notification, which attribute, which place, exactly which place and which package needs to be modified. So takes little time to reach here.
But see, it found that message, no approver found. So where exactly it's checking the approver?
No approver found.
Yeah, it called that message, right? So
Yes.
when is it calling actually? Show me in the process. So that means it may be checking something at the database, right?
No, no, no. That's what, like here, see, here, that's what the process, knowing the process is a very important. Like when we have done the approve, right?
Correct.
It has generated one notification.
Yes.
With that notification, we came to know which message.
No, no, no. If we know the notification, that's why we know the message. That's fine. But that notification, why it is calling the no notification, no approver found notification?
Hmm. Right. This message being attached to the notification, being called.
Okay.
In this
So
in this notification, it has been attached, right? In this notification, it has been attached somewhere. The
yeah,
PO.
no approver found notification has no approver found message. That's
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah.
But when is this called? No notification found.
Yeah, it is being called in the when what see what is our process we have to see, right? Like when we are launching, right? So one second, one more time, give me, let's remember this notification. Okay,
No.
notification last approver for no approver for, so PO no approver. Okay, this is
Mm.
the standard notification. Now in this notification definitely will be called when we are launching the workflow, right?
Correct. Correct.
So we have, that's what the process should be aligned. Then and only we can able to identify which place been called this notification. So we have basically so first is a find approval. No, when it is starting, no, somewhere we have seen the starting process.
Starting process.
See this process we are starting where when we are clicking this approve. So what does it mean? Approving. Uh, Approve and forward we are not doing, approve and forward we are not doing. So we have to find out the right process where this notification has been called.
Initial, yeah, starting point. Yeah.
Forward PO we are not doing.
So in the table, you don't find it.
uh,
Which,
no, okay, mean approval process starts here. Okay,
correct.
so
Okay.
see it starts here, then what is happening, it is checking the, it is verifying the POC. So many processes happening, like whenever we are clicking the approve, it is not only the one that is directly sending the notification, right? It is doing the validation, so many things happening, finding the approval, then it might be, so we have to find out the exact process for that, where this notification has been attached. So
Maybe find approver, check that the
find
find up,
approval
and yeah, no, 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 here only. No,
here
no, here
only.
only. That sub process. Left,
Where
yeah,
find approval.
find approver in the middle, left.
Here?
Yeah.
One second, yes. Let me see here.
Forward. No, you should check the diagram.
The diagram only I'm checking, no?
No, no, not this. In the application,
Alright.
yeah, from
Yes,
there
you're
you
correct.
can.
Yes, you're correct. So start forward to provided.
Mm.
Yeah. Approval one is approval forwarded. No. Okay, you are correct. You are correct. Like we have to see the diagram where it got stuck. You are got stuck. Okay. You are correct.
Mm.
Mm, okay. So we'll try to remember steps. Yes. Status monitor.
Mm.
What is that? PO
POAPPRVL.
or V, no?
Mm.
Uh,
You put it in the, yeah. APPRVL. RV. Yeah. RV.
Yeah, it's working. So where it got stuck, we'll come to know, like no approval found, it got stuck, right? That from that diagram will also come to know which process and which notification. Mhm. Okay, it's telling complete. Okay, let's see status diagram. View approval step is complete.
Mhm.
Processes seems like complete. Yeah, this is the 7 1. No?
Status.
Yeah, here, yes, here.
Uh, Start, compare text, and remove all.
Okay, remove all information for this to set workflow startup activity perform. So this 1 second, is there anything else? No. So it is showing processes approve equal notification setup activity perform. 1 second, notifications should be there, no? Okay, get workflow approval mode engine, get view attribute. Is this a new document?
Mm.
Yes. Yes, this is a new document. Then view approval process is here. So we are
Yeah.
starting from here actually, not
Mhm.
from there. So that's why. Then view approval process. And
Process.
so it is telling it is approved, it seems. No?
Yeah.
But
Mm.
where we are getting the notification? Notification is not there, no? In between. It is not.
If it is approved, check the status on that 6171,
1 second.
the table, whether it is approved or not.
Get a workflow approval mode. No, I'm checking the notification, where how it is sending the notification here.
Yeah. Mhm.
Okay, so compare text. Start compare text. Set workflow startup value. So this process, where this process is forward to PO. No, this is not the one. This is not the right process basically.
Mm.
So basically in this way only we have to like spend some, it's not like 1 day or 1 hour job where we can find and we can make these
Mm.
changes and all. Okay, just for the giving you the light, I have shown you all these details. Okay,
Okay. Mhm.
so in that way we
So
can able
there is
to.
no particular way of finding, you say.
No, is, like particular way of finding is
Like
like through that
step one, step two, like that. Yeah.
yeah, through that message we can find the notification, and from that notification we'll go as you have told, right, like diagram, and that diagram we can see which process is basically. So here you can see here these details process and all, right? So these
Mhm.
details we have to find out the right process, and then in the right process we can go and check the details, or if you again you wanted to make one more custom. So
Mhm.
finding the right process is important in the workflow, that we have to find it. There is no direct way of finding the notification. You have to find out in this way only, the way I have suggested.
Okay.
Yeah. So tomorrow I will show you the attachment for you know document, how to do the attachment of the document. And also so today you might have understood like how we can add the value in the seeded workflow,
Yeah. Yeah.
like line details and all these stuffs we can do it. Or if there is, so mostly in the seeded workflow there will be a a requirement is to add one due columns into the workflow, or write few more messages into the workflow, or a small changes in the message or notification. Basically these sort of changes will be only available for the customization, but they are not going to make the change the entire process of the seeded workflow. If they have to do it, they will create a custom workflow. If
Yeah.
any new business
Okay.
logic needs to be defined.
Okay then. Yeah.
Hmm?
Okay.
Sure. So we'll connect tomorrow for the attachment.